In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Google Drive storage. To get started, open Google Drive and go to the home page while signed into the Google account you want to upgrade. This is important because the extra storage will be added to the account you're currently using. Once you're on the Google Drive home screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. In that sidebar, you should see an option labeled Get More Storage. This is the shortcut Google provides to help you upgrade your available space when your drive is getting full. Go ahead and click Get More Storage. After that, you'll be taken to the Google One upgrade page where Google shows the available storage offers. This is where you can compare options and decide how much space you need for Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos, since the storage is usually shared across those services. On that page, scroll down until you find the option that says See All Plans, then click it. This will expand the full list of plans so you can review the different storage tiers more clearly. Take a moment here to choose the Google One plan that works best for you based on how much storage you need and what fits your budget. When you've decided on a plan, click the option to choose that Google One plan and then click Get Started. This begins the checkout and subscription setup process. Next, choose whether you want to pay monthly or annually. Monthly billing can be more flexible if you're just trying it out, while annual billing may offer better value depending on the plan available in your region. After selecting your preferred billing cycle, click Continue. You may then see a notice explaining that by upgrading to a Google One plan, you agree to the Google One Terms of Service, along with a note about the Google Privacy Policy. Review that information, then click Agree to move forward. After that, click Start by adding a payment method. This is where you'll enter your billing information securely through Google's payment system. Follow the on-screen procedure to complete the payment setup and confirm your purchase. The exact payment options may vary depending on your country or account settings, so just follow the prompts you see on your screen. Once everything is confirmed, your Google Drive storage should update shortly and you'll have more space available for your files. If you don't see the new storage immediately, give it a few moments and refresh the page. And that's how to buy Google Drive storage quickly and easily through Google One.